It's a weekend. Hello, everyone. Yes, a daily Sudoku practice continues. Hello, everyone. Welcome Today in the daily newspaper, we have two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the medium Sudoku we have here. And we have also a samurai Sudoku, aka Quintuplet. I will do this tomorrow evening on Sunday. This one I will do in a minute. In today's newspaper, we have also a puzzle page. Here, Saturday, August the 26th, 2023. We have here 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the tectonic. We have also 2 binaries, and we have here 2 Sudokus with 3 stars, another 3 stars, and a killer Sudoku. 4 of these puzzles I will do in the evening. Not all, otherwise too much for me, because tomorrow we have also a puzzle page. I have a puzzle, not the puzzle page, the additional, yeah. Same newspaper, Saturday, August the 26th, 2023. 7 extra puzzles, the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 tectonics, jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them, 4 of them, I will solve tomorrow. And tomorrow evening, the samurai Sudoku. But let me first solve this regular puzzle. Let me focus this and zoom this medium Sudoku number. This will be number 6986. 6986. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, 26 printed digits. 26. That means if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about these 5 missing numbers in this column? 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and 8. We have a 5 and 8 in this big square, so no 5 and 8 in these 3 boxes. 5 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 5 goes there. Alright. Then. Let me see. Can I do this again? Well. How about? Yeah. 9, 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. We have here. Need a 4 here. Need a 4 there. Need a 4 here. Okay. These 3 missing numbers then in this column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. 3, the 4 is missing. 2, 4. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2, 4, 7. 2, 4, 7. Let me mark these 3 boxes. 2, 4, 7. Okay. Yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 3. We have a 4 and a 3 in this row, so no 4 and 3 in these two boxes. 4 and 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are the other two numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. 7 and 6, 7 and a 6. So now we have two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there, 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1, 1, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 9. We have 1 and a 9 in the middle row. So no 1 and 9 in these two boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 4 and a 3, we have a 4 now in the middle row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. Two missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle, second column. So the third column, the only place left with 7 should be there. Okay. And now, 3, and here we have a 1. We have a 4, 1, and no, 3 and a 4. Yeah. No. We have a 4 there. 2. I'm thinking. 5, 5. Need a 9 here. 9. Need a 7. 7. Okay, need a 2 here. Need a 1 here. Okay, so the 1, the 2, and a 6. I'm thinking. 6. Need a 4 here. 4 in this row. 4 in the last row. So the row between. The only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be there. 2, 7, 8, 9. 8. 8, okay. 2, 7, and then 9. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 8 is missing, and 9 is missing. 2, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7, 8, 9. 2, 7, 8, 9. And look, here cannot be 7. Here can be an 8. Here can be a 9. So one digit left should be the 2 then. Okay. Yeah. Need a 3 here, need a 3 there. 3 missing numbers in the third column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the only place left with 3 should be there. So the 6 and 8 are left. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8, 8, okay. 5, need a 5 here. And I need 3 here. Wow. Alright, the 3, yeah. well, we have a 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. 3 should be there. I need a 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in the third row. No 3 there. Here 3 in the second row. No 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. 5, 5. Okay. 1 to 6, 1 to 6. I'm thinking. 3, 3, 3, 3. Need a 2 here. Need a 2 there. Need a 4 there. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there also. Come on. This is taking too long. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. So here we have 2, 4, 7. So the other 3 numbers should be the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. 1, 6, 9. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 6 could be everywhere. And we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means we need a 9 in the second row here. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. Alright. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. These 3 missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6. Okay. So we have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. Now only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. So the 6 could be here, could be there. Here's 7, 8, and a 9. 7, 8, 9 could be everywhere. Okay. The 4 in this column, the 4 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 could be here, could be there. 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah. Need a 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm thinking. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in this row, no 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Same for the 9. 9 in the third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. So the 9 could be here, could be there. The 2 is also missing here. Overlooked 2 in this column, 2 in the third column. So the column 3 in the second column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. So the 9, 5, 6, 8, 3 is missing here. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 is missing. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for 9 should be there. So the 7 and 8 are missing. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there, 7 and 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. Alright. Okay, 6 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 6 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with 6. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 9 goes and there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for number 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the first column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 missing numbers in the last row for numbers the 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, and 8 is missing. Let me mark those. 7, 8, 7, and 8. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in this third row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and 8 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1. Oh, wait. 1, 2, 6. Well, we have a 1 here in the first row. No 1 there. Here, 1 in the second row. No 1 there. Only place left for the 1 should be there. So here we have the 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 in the first row. 2 in the second row. So the third row. Only place left for 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left. The 4 and the 7 in this big square. We have a 4 in this row. First row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 7 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 4. We have a 4 in the second row. So no 4 there. 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes in there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. This 7 is... No, the 7. This is 7. The 8 is missing. Yeah, the 8 is missing. 7 and 8. We have 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, and the 9. We have a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Finish in 70 minutes. Well, told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve a 2-star puzzle. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solved by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later on, in the evening with the other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.